Let's unbox HxW first single album, Beam. I already got rid of the plastic because it's really reflective on camera. I got the standard version, HxW. I really love the book band edition. It's really unique and stretchy. Set aside the inclusions first. Let's flip through the photo book. Speed it up here. I really love the concept. It looks clean and simple. Oh wow, look at this duo. Let's take a moment to admire this beauty. Inclusions time. Tearing poster. Folded poster. Look at them. Weaver's QR code and logo sticker. Lyric book and CD. My fob track is Stupid Idiot, but all of them are fire. Let's take a look at the CD and who we got. Oh my god, I tease Hoshi. I pre-ordered this album and got the pop. Also got Hoshi. Got this logo pin badge. Look at him and his Horinghay. It's so cute. It's polka time. Let's see the unit card first. So freaking cute. Let's see the selfie card. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I got Hoshi again. The tiger power is really strong here. Roar a lot of Horinghay here. Woozy's one is expensive. While I'm not expecting to get a full set Hoshi, I'm so happy.